The Fezamarket affiliate program offers a unique way to earn $1,000 fast. Follow these steps to start generating income quickly. To begin, sign up for Fezamarket's affiliate program at www.fezamarket.com. It's free to join and provides access to high-converting products. Next, choose high-demand products with higher commissions. Focus on categories like electronics, health and wellness, and home goods. Promote your affiliate links across multiple platforms, such as YouTube, blogs, social media, and through email marketing. If possible, consider using paid advertising like Facebook ads or Google ads to drive targeted traffic to your links. Leverage limited-time offers or discounts to create urgency and encourage quick purchases. Promote these deals in your content. Track your progress with analytics to monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions. Use this data to optimize your strategies. Consistency and persistence are key. Keep promoting and refining your approach to reach your $1,000 goal. You can make $1,000 fast by promoting high-demand products and optimizing your efforts. Sign up for the Fezamarket affiliate program today.